School communications are a necessary function. What are the benefits of connecting school communications for efficiency? At the root of schools, the sooner the students are in their seats, the sooner they can start learning. Outside of learning time, school grounds always have something going on. Bus arrivals and departures, event coordination, facility maintenance, and much more. At each of these levels, communications can enhance and create a more efficient learning space. When contacting janitors, maintenance, or IT, it could be a bit difficult since they have a full day's work ahead of them. Continually moving around the building, they are rarely stationary or next to an office phone. At the very least, they might have a two-way radio, which is not easily accessible by everyone. Requests that require immediate attention, such as broken pipes, large spills in the classroom, or your computer has been on the update screen for over 3 hours, can all interrupt precious learning time. As a teacher or administrator, with Icom's Connect solution, you can bridge office phones to radios to efficiently reach the proper personnel, whether they're in the lower levels of the school or near the edge of campus. For events such as field day, spirit assemblies, sports games, and more, these require precise communication and coordination between faculty members. Teachers, security, and admins all might have a different form of a communication device. For example, during field events, the last thing you want to do is yell over a loud crowd, or infrequently walk across the field to relay small bits of information due to the lack of common communication devices. Icom's Connect solution allows instant check-in with security teams and staff no matter what device is used. Alternatively, you can have coaches use it on sports teams to relay drills to players and personnel quicker. Those said coaches can also use their equipment to communicate with admins who have different technologies. Before school starts, the arrival duties team is coordinating with other faculty over radios to get students in the building before the first bell rings. Dismissal teams make sure students leave the building. At the core of each of these is the bus systems, which have an entirely independent communication system different from what the arrival and dismissal teams might have. By bridging these two communications, bus drivers can directly contact the arrival teams about potential delays when necessary, instead of communicating through district independent systems. For exercises such as fire drills, efficiency is key to make sure students get back into their seats while also understanding what to do in the case of an emergency. This requires coordination from numerous staff members to make sure students are in their respective groups, and coordination with the fire department. If there's a missing student, then the teacher has to walk up to the busy check-in team and relay the information. The team then has to send word to those sweeping the building, such as firefighters or admins, for any missing students. Alternatively, with Icom's Connect solution, the teacher can stay with their class and coordinate with the check-in team across the field. Or they can talk with the admins and firefighters sweeping the buildings to look for their missing students. Icom America has been helping schools by providing quality communications equipment since the 1980s. Icom can bridge any type of communication solution, no matter how many personnel in a school or district. We have a solution for you. We are Icom.